Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix or sorry how to remove and delete WhatsApp status on from your iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open WhatsApp, launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. So go to the WhatsApp, sorry, open the WhatsApp. So guys, here go to the status section, tap on the status tab, which is usually located on the bottom navigation bar. So tap on location status and so simply tap on view status. So here you can see guys, here are the three dots. So simply tap on three dots, or if you want, so simply you can tap on edit also. Tap on select. So after selecting, here is the deleting option. So simply tap on delete option, tap on delete one status update. So here you can see guys, my status has been deleted. So guys, if you don't see any option to delete your status, it's possible that WhatsApp not updated on your iPhone. So simply be sure to check the official WhatsApp documentation or help section for guidance and manual use your status updates and the latest version of the app. So simply update your WhatsApp. If you don't see the option, go to the App Store app, go to search section and search WhatsApp. Here you can see that WhatsApp. Simply tap on update. So update your iPhone, update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.